On an informative note, ... Climatology is the study of climate, scientifically defined as the weather conditions averaged over a period of time, and is a branch of the atmospheric sciences, in contrast to meteorology, which focuses on short-term weather systems lasting up to a few weeks. Climatology studies the frequency and trends of those systems. On the other hand, we have cryogenics, which is the study of the production of very low temperatures, below negative 238 degrees Fahrenheit, and the behavior of materials at those temperatures. Rather than the familiar temperature scales of Fahrenheit and Celsius, cryogenicists use the Kelvin scales. A person who studies elements under extremely cold temperature is called a cryogenicist. Hello guys, or girls, welcome to Channel 69 News. We bring the news to you and it's always new. My name is Wallace Rodriguez.
My name's Jorge.
He's my co-buddy,
Jorge.
So today we will be discussing two very important topics, one of which includes
Cryogenics.
the other which includes
Climatology.
Elaborate please.
You're supposed to.
Cryogenics is the freezing of basically anything. This consists of freezing stuff at low temperatures. It makes it really cold. How cold?
Very cold.
How cold?
Ice cold.
Climatology, of course, is the
Study of weather over a long period of time.
not to be mistaken with meteorology.
This is weather over a shorter period of time.
So don't get those confused.
Please.
I hope you've learned something in this very 30-second short segment, and I hope you proceed to answer the question, which we will say in just a second. The question, of course, is,
What's the largest tornado on record?
and we'll be right back momentarily.
Gatorade! Get some Gatorade! You, come here! Get some Gatorade! 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 Drink some Gatorade! 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 Ah!
Hello there. Welcome back to Channel
69.
News. We bring the news to you when it's always new, and how good is it?
Very.
Very good. Previously, before the commercial break, we asked all of America, or,
3 or 4 people watching.
we asked them what was the
Largest.
tornado on record, and we discovered
It was 2.5.
miles wide. That's how
A
wide?
lot of wide.
It's a lot of wide.
A lot of wide.
It's actually 13,200 feet wide. That's really big.
A lot of wide.
A lot of wide. But now, since you've learned how wide it was, we're going to move on to the weather with Khadijah.
Thank you, Khadijah.
Hello, this is Khadijah Shanane with the weather. As you can tell, it is actually very sunny out today, and we've been experiencing very nice weather. We have blue sky and apparently a lot of rain. The bottom of my paper says that today we'll be getting a hurricane in, and everybody should be taking shelter inside and not out here because it's really cold. Actually, I guess I'm supposed to finish this segment anyway. What climate actually is what climate is the average temperature over many years, but we don't actually have a climatologist. So instead, me as the meteorologist, I am going over this for you. Now, this actually is very uncommon for this area, and especially it being so cold. The hurricane is not supposed to happen in Missouri because it's the inland. Even though it seems to be here and freezing, it may be coming from up north, like Canada. And so what I'm trying to say is that this paper isn't working too well, and I'm really cold. And back to you.
We did a poll, and the audience was curious on what the average climatologist makes per year.
Very curious.
It's about $65,000 a year, which is not nearly enough, apparently.
Thank you, Khadijah, for that wonderful, wonderful segment.
Well, we have one more question for you, and the question is,
Are climatologists...
more prone to being struck by lightning?
Bam.
Now for a quick commercial break. Dr. Pepper? The answer to the question previously asked is... I sense lightning.
Yes.
They are more prone to being struck by lightning, and here's Black with sports.
I'm black! And I do sports.
Sorry.
Black.
Wish we could have seen you, but that concludes our segment on
Cryogenics.
and climatology, which are...
Very important to our everyday lives. I mean, you freeze crap all the time, don't you?
Yep.
Pretty much.
I've been Rodriguez, and this has been...
Jorge.
And that's the way the ice cracks. See you next time.